Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we have already covered the concepts like binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication. Now it's time to discuss binary division. Binary division is similar to the decimal division but uses only two digits, 0 and 1, making it essential in digital electronics and computers architecture. So if you ever wondered how division happens at bit level inside a processor, this video is very important for you. We'll explore topic step by step, focusing on two main types: binary division involving whole numbers, binary division involving fractions. So let's start. As I said, we are going to discuss decimal and fractional type of divisions. So let's see some examples based on decimal divisions and fractional divisions and normal divisions as well in binary bits only. Let's see an example of a binary division. Suppose we have given this example to solve that 101010 is divided by 110. So we have to divide and show what is the final output. So before doing division of binary division, so let's have a quick recap of decimal division. We know that if a number is smaller than the first number, so we will be going to select two numbers at a time. So that is 12. So 8 is 1 times goes in 12. So that is 8 ones are 8. So 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. Taking 8 as down, so it is 48. So 8 6 is 48. So that is 0. So in the same way we are going to do in the binary as well. As compared to decimal form, binary division is simple because it involves only two variables, that is 0 and 1. Let's start the division process. So we have given with 110 is dividend and 101010 has to be divided. So we are going to select 3 digits because in the 110 it is 3 digits. So we are also going to select 3 digits. So if you check, 110 means 6 and 101 means 5. So it is a small number. So we are going to write 0 in the quotient part and we are going to subtract 0 from the 5. So after subtracting we are going to get same 5 only, that is 101. So again it is not divisible, so we are going to take down the 0 as shown as normal division only. We are normal division, decimal division only. So we are going to take 0 down. So we have got the 1010, that is 10 in binary. So binary to decimal. So 10 is more, so we can divide. So that is 6 ones are 6. So we are dividing. So we are subtracting 10 minus 6, that is 4. So we are going to write 100 in the next step. So here we have got last one is 100, that is 4. So 4. So next step we have to take 1 common. So 1 down. So after taking 1 down, so we have got 1001, that is 9. So 9 is also a big number greater than 6. So we are going to take ones. So 1, so that is 6. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, 1 1. So 1 1 is equals to 3 in decimal. So 3 is again we are going to take the 0 down as shown. So finally 110 means 6. So we are going to write 6 ones are 6. In the quotient part we have to write 1 and in the next part that is 0. So this is the final simple division. So next we are going to see some examples, more examples, so that you can able to understand clearly with the help of fractional examples also. So this is the second example we are going to see. So we have been asked that to solve the division. So let's start. So as the given digit have 3 digits, so I am going to select 3 digits at a time. So the given digit is 100. So basically 100 means 4 and in the underlined part that is 101, that is 5. So we can take simply 4 ones are 4 and we can divide 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So after getting 1, so we have to take 1 down. So in the part I have written as a box. So box means the total digits in that. So after in the box only I have lined because after the line those digits are taken the top digits, top taken down digits. After taking borrow also we are getting 3. So 3 is not 3 is again smaller. So we are expecting a bigger number. So again take borrow and write 0 in quotient part. So take 0 borrow 0 from top and I have highlighted with a separated with a line also. You can see there. So now it became 3 to 6 because 110 is 6. So in this step, so 4 ones are 4. So we can write 4 into 1. So we can write 1 in the quotient part and 4 we can subtract from that 6. So we are going to get 2 as 0 1 0. So after that we have to take 1 from the top, so that yields you as 0 1 0 1. So that is 5. So again, so we are getting 5, a number that is greater than 4. So again we are going to write 1 there and we are taking 4. So we have to subtract 5 from 4. So we are going to get 1 in the next step. We have been got so 1 as the final. So we also need further division. So I am taking 0 as down. So you can see that after taking 0 down also we are getting 2 only. So again, so the 2 is not satisfied. So 2 is very small number. So again we need to have some process. So we can see the further process also. So as you seeing there, 2 is not divisible by 4. So again, so what do I have to do? 2 is a small number, so I need a bigger number. So for that I need to put a 0.0 after the dividend. So after putting 0.0, I need to take 0 down in the same level. So in that same level I have taken once the top to bottom. So again I need to take from top to bottom 1 0. So for that I need to put 0 in the quotient part also. So after taking 0 from top to down, so I am getting 4. So 4 is divisible by 4. So we can put 0.1 and in the quotient and we can able to get the final answer as 0. Remember this one. If you are taking any 2 digits in the same level in the quotient part, in the main answer quotient part, we have to put a 0. If how many digits you are taking down, that many zeros you have to put in the answer part as well, in the quotient part. So after that, if you are taking any multiplication and writing there, so you have to put 0 or 1 and proceed the division. So you can get more clarity on the further example also. So let's have another example, that is 1 1 0 1 0 is divided by 1 1. So 1 1 means 3. So I have to divide that number with this. So basically I am starting with the direct division. So because already we have discussed the basic syntax or the basic thing. So you already know, because you know the decimal divisions. So let's start. So I am taking 2 as 1 1. So I can directly divide 1 1 into 1 is equals to 1 1. So subtract both them. So we are going to get 0. So take 0 from top to bottom. So that is again 0. So in the same step only, you have to check that 0 is smaller, so we are expecting a bigger number. So in the same level only, you have to take 1 from top to down. So I said before example only, if you are taking any number from the top to bottom in the same level, so you have to mention that in the quotient also. So I have mentioned, at first I have mentioned 1 for taking 1 into 1 into 1 as 1 1. So I subtract. So again I have to mention 0 as well, because so I am taking another top to bottom, that is, so I have to take that 0 as well. How many times I have to taking from top to bottom in the same level, so that many times I have to put 0 in that quotient. So after putting the second digit also, that 1, so the final is 1. So 1 is not it is a smaller number than 3. So we are expecting a bigger number. So we have been taken that 0, another 0 from the top to bottom. So after taking 0 also, it have become 2 only. It is also a smaller number. So I said, so in the same level we are taking another digit. So we have to put 0 in the quotient also. That is 2. So we are not expecting 2, we are expecting a number that is greater than 3. So we have to put a point after the given one, so that is 0.0, and we have to drag 0 from top to that division part. So we are getting final as 4, that is 1 0 0. As I said in the earlier part also, so we know that if any digit, if you want to multiply and we have to subtract from that, so after decimal point, so in the quotient part also, in the answer part also, we have to put point and the multiplied part. So because we are taking the division part, so we have to take point also in the answer part. So for that we have to put 0.1 and we have to take 1 1 into 1, that is 1 1. So we have subtracting 4 from 3, so we are going to get answer as 1. Check that. So 1 is also, so that is 1. So 1 is not a big number than 3. So we are going to take again top to bottom. So we are again going to include 0. So we have to going to drag 0 from top to down. So it has been become 2. So yes, again the 2 is not a big number than 3. So we're expecting a big number. We are again going to put 0 and we are going to drag that 0 from top to down. So it has been become 1 0 0. So that is 4. So it is a big number than 3. So we can able to subtract 3 from 4. So we can multiply 1, so that we can able to subtract. after subtracting also we are getting again the same thing, that is 2 only. So if you are, this is a repeating or recurring process. So after 1 0 0, so that is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and up to infinity. So that is a recurring process. So the final answer you can take up to the question as the question also. So if they mention round up to 2 decimal points, so you can able to take 100.10. So that is the final answer we can say. So what if the divisor part is a fractional part? So how we can able to divide the divisor with that because it is the fractional part. So with the fractional part, how the division is possible? So as the normal division only. So normal division, how we will eliminate the points from top and bottom. So we will multiply with 100 top and bottom in the normal decimal division. So in the same, in this case also we are going to eliminate the decimal point. How we can able to eliminate? So if you see carefully, so 1 1 0 1 1, so there is no extra zeros. So I am including extra 2 zeros after the point. So basically not point. So I am just including the 2 zeros. The down also. So I am removing decimal point from the least significant bit to 2 decimal points. So I am removing that point also. So I think you can able to relate with the normal decimal system. So after conversion is a normal division that we have seen in the first example only. So even though we will check out this example also. So in that they are shown 110 means 6. So we are there is 3 decimal point. So we can able to take 3 110. So it is directly divisible. So divide. So that is 0. 110, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are going to take 1. So that is a smaller number. So again we are going to take 1. So that is also we are going to get 1 1. That is 3. That is also a smaller number. Again we are going to take 0. So again that is also a small, that is as same as that 110. So 110 into 110, that is 6 minus 6, that is 0. So we are going to get that only. So we are getting that only 1 0 0 1 0. So we have to take top to bottom and we have to perform as a normal decimal division only. So you can able to observe the answer is 1 0 0 1 0. So it is 18. So you can also cross check as this binary division as well as normal division. That is the top one 1 1 0 1 0 0 is 109. So that is and divided by 110, that is 6. You can also normal check normal division also. You can able to divide and you are going to get 18 as final answer. Thanks for watching up to now.